Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the text color of your site menu in Wix. This is a simple yet powerful way to make your website's navigation match your brand colors and create a more cohesive look across your entire site. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to your website management options. From here, you can preview the website settings you have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website you wish to change the menu color on, especially if you manage multiple sites through your Wix account. This quick verification step ensures you're editing the right project. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to move forward with customizing your site's appearance. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. From here, start locating your site menu on the top part of your page. It's usually positioned within the header section of your website. Once you've found it, click on it to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a blue outline or highlight around the menu. Once selected, you'll see several menu options appear. Look for the design option and click on it. A menu design window will appear on your screen. This window contains all the styling options for your menu. From here, click on the Customize Design button located on the bottom part of the design window. This opens up more detailed customization settings for your menu. Under the Menu Design window, click on the Text tab. This is where you can control all aspects of your menu text appearance, including color, font, and size. From here, you can change the color of your menu by clicking on the color picker. Simply select the color you want from the palette or enter a specific hex code. If you have exact brand colors, you need to match. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the text color of your site menu in Wix. Your navigation will now reflect your chosen color, giving your website a more polished and professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.